Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to get properties. Do you know what is the properties? Property generally used for individual change format. If you change the individual line, individual dimension, individual text, individual arrow, individual text height, individual line, everything you have changed the individual. When you go to format setting is a dimension style. Like when you enter the D enter, this is called dimension style. This area and this template I have go to change whatever is a one simple silly thing change. So every our background has been totally changed because there is no option. Dimension style is one format and one dimension has been changed, so totally change our background. But I want particular one dimension is going to be large, going to be small. So how is it possible? So when you individual particular line, particular thickness, particular dimension has been increased and decreased. So when you use for property, okay, so how is it property, where is it find? So let's go start. So first of all, this is our diagram right now. This diagram I will provide the dimension. So when you click the D L I enter, look at this friend. I have why I am using the shortcut key because it's a time taking and not going to here. Every dimension is coming to annotation right now. When look at this annotation is whatever you want dimension. Every dimension has find out this annotation: linear, align, angular, radius, diameter. But I use the shortcut key. Why? Because I don't go to here and open and click and select, then after coming here this is much more time. But I click the DLI, okay, come to apply the dimension. When you click this point and this point is a provide to here one dimension. Same thing is like this point to this point, and look at this, and also we will provide this area to this area. So it is very useful for create the dimension. Okay, so anywhere I will provide the dimension right here. The continuously I will get the provide. So this is diameter. When provide DDI, they call diameter also. It is diameter. Look at this here. So but I want change the particular dimension is here. So property, when you go to property right now, so how is it possible and get the property? So first of all, click this dimension. So two way of called the property. There is not show the property format and property printer. If you search is a long time. When you new creator has been coming in AutoCAD, they are searching is many time consuming because they are not showing here. This is a template of AutoCAD, but they are not showing the some much command. So that's why I'm suggestion for everyone has used to shortcut key, because shortcut key is importance to fast working in AutoCAD. Then if I double click here, when you come to property right now, look at this here. When you click this line, here the change for anything. But when I click this dimension and property is where find out. So today I will discuss about how to get property. So property, when you select this particular line, I want get increase decrease. So when you select this dimension and line, then go to property. So P or enter. Look at this, just I am right now PAR, it is here property. Okay, so when you enter the property, when you click the property, look at this, here side come to dialog box of property. Okay, but I want to increase this particular dimension and arrow. So how is it possible? When you go to first of all, look at this here dimension. There are many types of dimension available. If I want to change the dimension, is here architecture. So both of our architecture dimension is showing this only this line. Everything is not here because I am only change this individual line. Okay, so always be remember, right? Then I will provide the arrow size. So when you go to 0.05, it is in provide the arrow. Then also down direction I will come to here. Now I will provide the dimension color. Okay, so the dimension is going to provide the suitable dimension. Okay, when again come to extension line color, so I will provide the extension line color. And now down direction I will come from here, just below the text here. Text, it means dimension height when you go to provide. So dimension height again I will show you 5 mm, right? Their color, I will show you color in particular yellow. And again I will come from here, change the primary unit system is called. When change the precision right now, so here go to precision, here go to precision right now. Okay, so when you right now here go to precision, when you change the precision is 00. Okay, then again come from down direction, and here right now so this is all our settings in AutoCAD. They are many useful for AutoCAD and use. If you add the suffix and prefix dimension, so very useful. Suffix, it means preview. Prefix is first or side is add any word. DLI, I will write now DLI, and here side I will add YDY. Okay, so you this is here DLI and YDY. So complete has been property. When this is called indivisible. If I change the other thing, so you can write now other process, you follow the property. So it is very useful for property here. And change the indivisible, their size, arrow size has been changed, dimension size has been changed, everything is changed for indivisible, convert from AutoCAD. So today has been complete this session for property, and thank you for watching.